Do you spend more time than you want trying to find the right spare parts? If so, you should visit Grundfos Product Center. This personal toolbox for smarter and better engineering takes the hassle out of finding what you need. Let's take a look. Finding spare parts is easy. Type what you're looking for in the search bar. You can search using the name of the product or the product number. When the product appears in the search results, click on it, and immediately you will see all the information about it. And then, down here on the right, click on the Spare Parts button, and you will find the service parts. Select the date your pump was produced, and a list of spare parts will appear. You can then click the Documentation tab at the top, and then check the type of documentation you'd like. So, that's how you find spare parts. Easy. You can find this and many other useful tools and features to make your day easier at the Grundfos Product Center. Sign up at product-selection.grundfos.com.